Aloha from Kailua Bay in Kona, Hawaii. I'm here at the Kona Inn on a beautiful Saturday morning, the first day in September 2018. And behind me is the historic Kona Inn, which was built in 1928. I'll pan around behind me and give you a view of the inn. There's a nice restaurant out back overlooking the bay. It's a gorgeous day today. We're here to check out the Queen Liliuokalani Canoe Race. Today the women will paddle from Kailua Bay here down to Haunau Bay, which is about 18 miles to the south of here. Then later today, around 1 p.m., the men will paddle back. This race was started in 1972, and it's the largest long-distance canoe race in the world. It started as a way to train for the grueling Molokai Ho long-distance canoe race from the island of Molokai to the island of Oahu. It now hosts over 2,500 paddlers from all around the world. And we're here a little early, about a half hour early. Things will get underway soon. Just a gorgeous day today. I think high tide is here now because it's really rough right now. This concrete wall is a great place to sit and check out things that are happening on the bay. I often come here, for instance, for the triathlon, the Ironman Triathlon. It's a great location because the swim starts right here. The swim event, that is, the Ironman Triathlon consists of 3 different parts: a 2-mile swim, 112-mile bike ride, and a 25-mile run. Here you can see some of the boats that are gathering. Each team has a boat, apparently, that is able to assist it when they swap team members. I'm not sure exactly when they do that, but they do actually swap out during some of these races. Say 6 members in the canoe will jump out and 6 new people will get in, and so the replacement paddlers are on the boats. So there's quite a few boats here. I think probably certain boats handle more than one canoe. Here we have some paddlers. Looks like a mixed group. And I think this is, I don't know why they're mixed, because this is the women's heat, and I think most of them will all be all women. This is the local canoe club. Beautiful day. And here's an all-women's team. And you see the person in the back is steering. They'll actually put their oar in the water, and depending on which direction they want to go, left or right, and they'll actually kind of slow down the canoe in that direction and allowing it to turn left or right. Okay, they're getting ready. Shouldn't be too long. I'm going to take the drone up. Oh, here we are. Okay, so I'm in the drone now. I'm not in the drone, but flying the drone. This is my Mavic, my older Mavic. I just bought a new Mavic 2 Pro, but I haven't flown it, and I didn't really want to fly it today out over the water for its maiden flight, so I pulled out the older Mavic I've had for a couple of years, and here I'm doing a pan to show you the bay. And here a number of the canoes are getting ready. And the starting line is actually, quite a ways out, maybe a mile or so out into the water. Now here's Kailua Bay, and you can see part of Hawalalae, the volcano we live on here in Kona. I'll pan around later and you'll see a better shot of it, but this is the main downtown area of Kona. On the left there is the King Kamehameha Hotel, and there are a number of shops and restaurants down there. So you can see a line forming where they're going back and forth, trying to form a line so no one crosses that line. So they just have jet skis going back and forth, forming a line. And here's some canoes coming in on the bottom right. Beautiful day. Here I'm flying back now towards where I'm controlling the drone from. Back to the Kona Inn. Looks like we're just minutes away from the race starting. I ran out of battery power and I wasn't able to catch the beginning of the race from the drone. There's the Body Glove boat. They're usually docked right in the harbor there, but they must be out to give room for the other boats at the dock there. And here's a canoe with 6 guys, it looks like, and they're just practicing them. There are many events starting on Thursday and going all the way through Labor Day. Wow, you can really see how long the canoes are. Now they're turning. They must be exhausted. Okay, now I believe the race has started. Yep, they're off. 18 miles. And they're rushing, they must be rushing down to the finish line with the floats. It's probably going to take a while to get down there. Here's a monohull that's anchored out in the bay. There's a harbor north of here, so this is not a regular harbor for boats. It's kind of limited use. There are a number, like here's Jack's Diving Locker. There are a few boats that leave out of here, but most leave out of the harbor that's about 5 miles north of here, a large harbor. All different fishing excursion boats leave from there. This is a popular place to learn scuba diving here. Boy, that's a gorgeous shot there. The bay. I noticed a swimmer out in the bay. She's probably preparing for the Ironman that will be coming up next month in October. And I zoom out here and show you how far out she is. It's a pretty grueling 2-mile swim, open ocean. Look at that. Wow, I would like to do that swim. This guy was surfing. I tried to get some shots, but I kept missing him. So he's out of the water now, and I think he's done for the day. Got these guys out there. These are single-person canoes, outrigger canoes. They look like they'd be a lot of fun. I think there's an event for that also, for single-person canoe race event. Here are a couple static shots of the Kona style, a catamaran that has a few cruises, like a dinner cruise, and a couple cruises during the day, maybe snorkel cruises. Well, that's about it for the shots during the day, and then I put in some evening sunset shots coming up from our lanai. Beautiful sunset tonight. It's just gorgeous. There's a ship you can see heading south, probably the Body Glove dinner cruise. Heads down there at sunset and comes back at night after the sun's gone down. Wow, what a gorgeous day today it was. Yeah, beautiful. I'm going to leave you with a time lapse, and I'd like to say thanks for joining me, and aloha from Hawaii.